found by your great-grandfather in Mesopotamia. Said to be forged in pure gold, mined by the slaves of the Anunnakis, used for intergalactic travel.
It's a folk tale. It's a family heirloom. It's all it is, Dale.
How can you say that, man? You know what? She's changed you.
No, she has not changed me, man. I've changed. People change, Dale. It's not a bad thing. You should try it. Alright.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, it's the last box. About finished, but Dale will not let it go.
You guys have been friends forever. Give him a break. He's going through a lot.
Yeah, I got a couple more things.
You know, I wish I was friends with your grandpa instead. He seems a lot cooler. There's all these articles written on him. He's got some really cool stuff.
Dale, who's the little girl on the couch?
It's my couch. You moved out.
Okay. Dale, who's the little girl that's on your couch?
What are you talking about? Oh!
Hi, honey. What's your name? Do you know where your home is? Did you lose your mom?
Where did you come from?
Whoa, I've seen that before. That's... Never mind, you don't even want to hear about it.
No, you haven't, man.
Look at that. What kind of normal person, little girl, comes into somebody's house, just appears, and then they're just quiet, and then they're doing circle hands, and then...
No, dude, it's not
Probably
what
like
it is, man.
brainwashed
This
or
isn't one of those things, dude.
You know
It's a
what? You're
little girl
probably
that's sitting
brainwashed, and
on
I
the
know
couch.
who
That's all it
brainwashed.
is. She didn't...
Cut it
It's
out.
her.
Chris, can I talk to you in the kitchen, please? Can I talk to you in the kitchen, please? We need to call child services.
Can you believe this guy? He is more concerned with who bought that couch than the actual girl that's sitting on the couch. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about, babe. I bought that couch,
Babe,
not
please,
him.
please, calm down. We need to figure out what's going on right now.
Chris. Sorry to interrupt. Look, I know we have our differences right now, but I'm gonna need you to trust me. That girl that's sitting on my couch is not of this world. We need to take her and the bowl that your grandfather found to the Millennium Arches right now.
Where did you hear that?
She told me. Well, I mean, she didn't really tell me. We communicated. She's a telepath. It was like... Everything that we've been trying to figure out is true. I promise you.
That is
everything.
it, man. I cannot take it anymore, dude. You need to stop living in a fantasy world of what ifs, dude. It is time to live in the what is. You gotta wake up, Dale. Wake up.
No, don't answer that. Don't answer. Just trust me.
Good afternoon. My name is Crystal Morris, and this is my associate, Shelley Tillman.
Hello.
We're from Child Services.
We have information that a young girl, Charlene Bitterman, is in your area. Do you know this girl?
Maybe, do you two have some credentials or ID or?
Oh, stop. They're in the living room. They're trying to help. What the hell? They were just right here.
Is this a joke?
No.
Thank you for showing us your home. You must go now.
He doesn't have a car. Dale just stole my car. Son of a...
Bowl! Oh, right, yeah, I think the bowl is right behind me in that box. Go ahead and grab it. Yeah, that one. Is that it? Yeah! Woo!
Now, I gotta go save him from two weird robot chicks that are trying to steal some poor brainwashed little girl. I can't take this.
She wants me to go with her!
But I don't want to lose you!
I feel like I've already lost you!
But you were right, man! You were right! And I'm so sorry I ever doubted you, man. I mean, your personality can be a little strong sometimes, but I love you, man.
I love you too!
But I also love Tiff. And I'm really looking forward to moving in with her, man. I really think it's the next best step in our relationship. But you're my only other friend, man. And nothing's ever gonna change that. I was a jerk! I was a jerk, man. And I'm sorry I never give you enough credit.
Just shut up, man. Just shut up. I love you too, man. Come on. Let's go home. I mean, my home.
Yeah.
You know, you're leaving me.
Yeah. But I'm still gonna come over all the time, man. Because we gotta keep doing this.
Yeah, I care about you. I did just give up interdimensional travel. Yeah, you did.
I can't believe you did that, man. I wouldn't have done it.
Oh, great. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Well, whatever. I'm sure I'll get another chance.
Well.
I mean, if it happens for me, man, you better believe I'm going.
Oh, man, I'm so glad I stayed for this.
Yeah. You're a good friend, man.